Hey there, have you ever wondered how websites like Instagram or e-commerce stores like Amazon are built? Well, it's not magic, it's coding, and I'm here to show you how a tool called Laravel can make it super easy for you, even if you've never written a single line of code. So, what is Laravel? Imagine you want to bake a cake and you could mix all the ingredients from scratch. You could use a cake mix that has everything prepared for you. So Laravel is like that cake mix. It helps you and gives you ready-made ingredients for building your website so that you focus on the most unique flavors without worrying about the basics. Well, Laravel is loved by developers around the world because it makes coding easier and more fun. For example, it helps you keep your data safe because it has inbuilt security, and it lets you build your websites faster by reusing code. And another thing, it helps you create beautiful designs by using something called templates. Big companies and small startups use Laravel every single day, from online stores to social media platforms. Laravel is behind the scenes making everything work on smoothly. So, whether you're curious about building your coding career or dreaming of building your next big app, Laravel is a perfect place to start. Well, let's have a deep dive into what Laravel really is. Laravel is a PHP framework that simplifies the process of building modern web applications. Think of it as a toolkit that provides developers with pre-written code, tools, and best practices so that they can focus on creating features instead of worrying about repetitive coding tasks. Laravel follows an MVC architecture, model view controller design pattern, which separates the application's logic, user interface, and data. This makes your code cleaner and easier to maintain. Laravel has some inbuilt tools for common tasks such as routing, authentication, session management, and caching. Laravel uses an eloquent ORM for its database management system, and it simplifies the ways you can easily work with a database, allowing you to interact with your models directly using PHP. Laravel has some security features that provide and protect against common vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and cross-site request forgery. So let's now look at the prerequisites required to learn Laravel. A basic understanding of the PHP programming language is required. Familiarity with the MVC architecture, the model view controller, is also required. Basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is also required. So let's look at some other tools you can add to your development kit as you're going to start on with Laravel. You can use a text editor such as VS Code with the related PHP extensions. You can either use PHP Storm, Sublime Text, NeoVim, Vim, and so many others. Then you are also required to have a database installed on your machine, such as the MySQL database, PostgreSQL, SQLite, or an SQL server. Then another thing you can also add to your kit is a version control system such as Git. So guys, has that given you enough enthusiasm to start your coding journey? Laravel, for me, is a perfect place to start. So I'm gonna guide you step by step on how to install Laravel on your computer. Please hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey as we learn Laravel together. Thank you very much and have a good day. See ya.